Well, good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope that you would be fit and fine. So, today we are going to discuss the last portion of the pre-tenses exercises. Okay, so till now we have done is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had. Means the basic use of all these helping verbs we have done. Okay, in which we do not take any kind of action verb. Okay, so now this portion, the dummy subject, is also very important. So today we will discuss the use of it, there, okay, which are used as a dummy subject. So when we are not having any particular subject in the sentence, okay, then we use it or there. You will come to know, okay, when we will discuss the examples. So first of all, let's discuss that what is a dummy subject. Dummy subject, sometimes a sentence does not have a proper subject, means such kind of sentence in which we do not have any proper subject. So we know that we are talking about this particular thing, but we do not mention, so then we take the help of dummy subjects. For example, we can say it is snowing, okay, without mentioning the clouds. So we know that the source of snow is the clouds. Okay, so we are not mentioning the clouds here, we are just mentioning it. Where the snow coming from? Okay, so without the reference of clouds, we are talking about the snow, that it is snowing. So in English, sentences like sentences like this have a dummy subjects, which can be it, there, or here. Okay, so hope so these examples will help to understand that what I want to convey. So first of all, use of there. If there is no other subject, we use there to talk about. So under which situations we can use there? Where or when something is. Where means about particular place. Okay, so you don't want to mention that particular place. Okay, there is an interesting book on the shelf, so you are not pointing that the particular place, so simply you want to say that there means wahan pe, okay, means othe there is an interesting book on the shelf, कि हाँ उत्थे shelf ते की है दिलचस्प book पई हुई है. There will be an eclipse. Eclipse means shadow, ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਗ੍ਰਹਿਣ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, of the moon tonight. There will be. There will be means in the sky. Okay, so where and when? When tonight there will be eclipse. Where in the sky? When tonight? Okay, so such kind of things we use. Okay, we explain with the help of there. When we talk about number or a amount, there is a plenty of bread left. Okay, so here again we are talking about the amount, quantity, number. There is plenty of bread left. There were 20 people at the meeting. Okay, so one more thing you can assume that here speaker and listener, they are familiar with the topic that about whom they are talking about. Okay, so about what they are talking, so they are little bit familiar, so they know that where the speaker want to indicate. Okay, then something existing or happening means if something is existing, existence means ਜਿਹਦੀ ਹੋਂਦ ਹੋਵੇ, means जो है, happening या हो रहा है. There is a small problem. There was a nasty fight. Nasty means something dangerous. Nasty fight. Okay, so if you will compare all these sentences, there means othe, there othe, there othe, There means othe, means wahan pe. There again. So similar thing is there. So here, what your common sense will help you a lot. Okay, it will give you the indication now that you don't have any particular subject, so you can use here there. Okay, so hope so that now whenever there would be you are not sure about the subject, okay, don't forget to think about there it. Okay, it can be suitable for your sentence, okay, for which you are looking for. Then use of it. So when we use it, when we are particularly talking about times and dates. Okay, it is, so here it is the contracted form, means the short form. Okay, it is, so here it is, it means is, it is nearly 1 o'clock. So this O mean is 1 o'clock. So here O means is off. 1 o'clock. It is my birthday. Means it is about the date. Okay, it is my birthday. When you talk about the weather, it is raining. It is a lovely day. It was getting cold. Okay, then when you want to discuss about duty and manner, it is our duty to follow the rules. Okay, so here duty. Morning walk is a good exercise, means which is a manner. It has many benefits. Okay, so I hope so that after this discussion, surely you'll be able to identify that where you have to use it as a dummy subject and where you have to use there. Okay, so you might be thinking that I have not talked about here. Here means we use something which you have in your hand. Okay, for example, this pencil. Okay, so someone is looking for this pencil, so I want to say that here is your pencil. Okay, so this is the way, okay, that we can use here also as a dummy subjects. Okay, so the answer key of the last exercise, okay, it is already uploaded over there. So one sentence I want to discuss here, the second one. Okay, so here we are not using the particular rule of has, okay, because there was the sound of the. Okay, so that's why we can't use here. Okay, so knowingly they have given you this sentence which is not according to the rule of has. They might wanted to check that your concepts are getting clear or not. So this sentence, no one asked him in this matter. ਉਸਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੁੱਛਦਾ. This was the sentence. ਉਸਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੁੱਛਦਾ. Okay, so no one asks him in this matter. Okay, so take care of this thing. So here on that day we were talking about no. Okay, so in this exercise all the sentences were in which you can use no. koi nahi. Okay, means koi nahi. No means koi nahi. Have you any regard for your teacher in your heart? ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦਿਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਟੀਚਰ ਲਈ ਕੋਈ ਸਤਿਕਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ. ਓਕੇ, ਸੋ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੋ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Is it clear? So hope so that this will help you a lot. So one more sentence I want to discuss with you. He had 2 5 rupees note. ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ 5 ਰੁਪਏ ਦੇ 2 ਨੋਟ ਸਨ. Okay, so they had 2 5 rupees notes. Okay, so don't try to write he had two notes of 5 rupees. So it will look little bit odd if you write the two notes of 5 rupees. So simply write 5 rupees notes. Okay, so here in this sentence, he had he cap. So here you have to do one correction also. It was by mistake, so here you can do on. Had he a cap on his head? So what is satchel? Satchels means bags. Okay, so hope so that this will help you. Okay, so now you will be able to identify that where to use the main verbs and where to use the helping verb as a main verb. So dear student, this is the end of today's lecture. So one request is there to all of you. Okay, so please revise all the tenses, means all the pre-tenses exercise, the use of is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, it, there. Okay, once again. Okay, so if you have not prepared your notes yet, so kindly prepare your notes also. It will help you a lot. Okay, whenever you will be in need. So the exercise of practice for the practice are uploaded already on your smart study app, so you can do from there. So tomorrow I will meet you, okay, with a new topic. So for now, thank you and have a nice day.